Today we are going to talk about polyps. Polyps are usually found inside the uterine cavity in females. These are called as endometrial polyps. इनका diagnosis usually ultrasound में बनता है. Whenever an ultrasound is done to find out any cause for any symptom, like there can be excessive bleeding, there can be severe pain during periods, or intermenstrual bleeding is there, or in cases of infertility, when we are doing an ultrasound and we find out that there is a small growth inside the cavity of the uterus, that is called as a polyp. The most common cause of, I would say, the easily treatable infertility is polyp, because whenever a patient is coming to us and we are finding that there is a polyp inside the uterine cavity, it is so easily treatable that there is no need to get admitted for even an overnight procedure. In this, you come to the clinic in the morning, then you go back in the evening, and there is no scar at all and there is hardly any pain. Anesthesia is given, and this procedure is called as hysteroscopic polypectomy. It is a very sophisticated procedure in which a very small thin camera is inserted inside the uterus, and under this vision we can see where the polyp is exactly located, and we cut it down at its base without causing any damage to the rest of the part of the uterine wall, and then that polyp is taken out and it is sent for the lab examination to find out if there is any cell in it which can cause any cancer later on, or which can be of any problem later on. So that sample of polyp that is taken out, it is sent for the histopathological examination to the lab, and this way I would say one major thing which can be the reason of infertility is treated so easily that you can even try for a pregnancy starting from the next immediate cycle, and you can start planning from the next immediate cycle. In that case, many a times we have seen that many patients, they conceive in the immediate second or maybe 1 or 2 months of the procedure within, they are able to conceive and without any major help or any major procedure. So hysteroscopic polypectomy is a very sophisticated technique to treat endometrial polyps, which if they are found inside the uterus, then you should not be worried of, actually, because it is very easily treatable ailment if there is an infertility. There is no need to undergo any major procedure for it, and you can go back home in the evening itself without any scar on your body. Thank you.